What do I say? I don't even know what to say. I was gonna like do an intro. I don't even know. I don't think I'm gonna do that anymore. We're back for the bathroom video, not because I'm stretching my ears, but I just got a nice order in from my pals at Urban Body Jewery. You guys know Urban Body Jewery, right? You've seen all my videos on them, right? No, I mean, I order from these guys a lot. Not sponsored or anything. I gotta do the bit, unless. But yeah, I really love their plugs and stuff. They always come like at a reasonable time. They're always really good quality, and I really like the way that they look. And they have a lot of variety too, because I don't know. I usually stick with like one pair for a long time, but I like to switch it up seasonally, occasionally. So it's good to always have that. But yeah. So I got a package. I got 3 pairs of plugs. I know, crazy. I'll show them over here on the screen for you guys right now. And yeah, I just wanted to like try them on and show you guys how they look, I guess. I don't know, maybe you could say like they look dope or they look terrible, whatever. You guys let me know. I really like them all. I was kind of wearing them a little bit already, you know, testing them out, but I'll tell you guys my favorite after I show you guys them all. But yeah, let's get right into it. I guess I'll just start putting them on. I think I'm gonna do these yin yang ones first to try them on. I'll just like get right into it. You didn't think I forgot, right? You didn't think I forgot. You didn't think I forgot the JoJo's oil. JoJo's oil, did you? Come on, now you can never stretch without JoJo's oil. You gotta be insane if you don't stretch without JoJo's oil. I mean, you would be actual crazy person. So, let's oil up. Let's oil up our ears. All right, okay. So now you've, greased up your ears with JoJo oil, but just want to clarify that I went, before I started filming, I cleaned them all and I washed my hands, so I don't want anyone calling me out in the comments like, oh, we didn't wash his hands. Like, I did, before the video I took care of that so we could just be smooth sailing. It's called Work Smarter, Not Harder. Here we go. Yin Yangs, and for anyone, oh, these are cool, look at that, the front comes off. Instead of the back, I'm used to the back coming off. But the front comes off, that's wild. I think it does. What the hell? That's insane. I never had plugs like that. Huh. Interesting. Anyway. Oh wow, it's like, that's strange. I'm gonna put my, what was I even saying? Oh yeah, every size plug I have here is 9/16. That's the current size that I'm at right now. Yeah, I don't know. I was thinking about this, like, should I go bigger or what size should I do? But I really do like this size. I feel like it looks good. I think I'm gonna stay this size for a while. I mean, I know I would have to anyway because like you need to wait a while at the bigger sizes, but I don't know, I just like the size, so I'm gonna stay there for now. Oh, those are dope. Oh, those are cool. They're a little much. It's like a little, but I mean, come on, it's me we're talking about here. So yeah, it's a little extra, but I like them. I'll put the other one in. Yeah, I'm coming at you guys with, I honestly, like, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I have been skating a lot because it's been so nice out, but I haven't been like filming a lot because it has been so nice out. I've just been like going to the skate park after work and like, you know what I mean? You have time, but not that much time, so I've just been trying to get a session. So that's why I'm not coming back with a skate video this week, but we'll get back, don't worry. Me and Ian were actually in New York filming. I know you guys saw. I do still upload the shorts usually, but yeah, we were in New York skating. That was mad fun. Got some street clips for eventual street part that will happen eventually. So stay tuned. I don't even know if you're from my skating content and you're here. That's an update for you, and if you're not, that's just also an update for you. We're just talking, we're just chatting and stretching. All right, these are pretty cool. I like them. What do you guys think? They have like a good size too on the outside. Like they're like a little bit bigger. The lips a little bit bigger, so it makes your ears look a little bigger. I like it. Cool. Let's just keep rolling. Let's just keep trying on the other ones. Those are actually the ones I haven't worn yet. Like I wore the pink ones and I wore the star ones. I haven't worn the yin yang ones, but I really like them. I'm really liking the best, and I didn't even win. That's wild. Those suck to put on and off though. That is really annoying. Okay, let's go with the pink ones. These are obnoxious. I was wearing these all day today. So I say they're obnoxious and then I'm like, yeah, no, I was wearing them though. Oh, it feels nice to clean them though. You know, I wore them all day, then I just cleaned them for the video. Feels nice. Feels good. Yeah, these are pretty basic. They're just like the acrylic ones. So, so are the yin yangs. The yin yangs were also acrylic. So, in case you guys are wondering about the material. They don't, I'm not saying they blend in, but I don't know. They don't, I don't know. They definitely stand out. They stand out, but they don't. They do, but they don't? I don't know. You guys tell me. But they're cool though. They definitely are more like true to size. Like I feel like I can push this right through my ear. Yeah, see? So there's barely like a lip on it, which is fine. But so that's I think that's funny too because like this is a 9/16, right? And then you also have like, hold on, like look at that. These are the ones I usually was rocking for a long time, and I was like, let me just get some more. But I'll probably go back to these just because I love the stone glass plugs anyway. But I just want to try something new. You hear the pink ones, and then these star ones. I can't confirm nor deny if I got these because I like stars, because of JoJo's Bizarre Adventure, or because they're silver. You know, I don't know. It's up for debate. You guys tell me why I ordered them. But yeah, the silver is so cool. They are metal. So they feel pretty quality. Put them in here. Yeah, these are dope. They match with like the necklace, like the. I don't usually like see-through, but I really like silver, as you can tell, like from my glasses and my keychain. And you guys know. I'm sure I said this in a video before, but yeah, I just like how they're silver and stars are just super dope. I love me some star icons. I think I'm gonna keep these in for now, to be honest. They were my favorite. I know I said I'm gonna tell you guys at the at the end of the episode what my favorite was, and it was these. I wore these to work. I wore them around. They're my favorite. They got like these. You got a screw in the back too. The only issue with that, for me specifically, is like I go to. Oh, I'm not doing that right now. That is like that sound in my ear. Screwing that in is not it. But yeah, when they are screwed in, and I go to like my Muay Thai class, I gotta take them out. So I gotta screw them in, screw them out, screw them in. Not annoying, but yeah. Yeah, all right. Well, yeah, this is just a video of me trying on my plugs. Let me know which ones you guys thought were cool, or which ones were not cool, or which ones I should wear. Right now, since I can't read your comments, I didn't really edit the video yet. I'm gonna wear these, but after I see everybody's comments on which ones to wear, I'll put those in. Yeah, have a great day. Let me know if you guys got stretched ears too, and make sure you're using those JoJo's oils to the most effective way. You know, always be using it every day. It smells nice and it makes your ears feel nice. I'm not even sponsored by these people. I just like saying it because it's JoJo's, okay? That's why, okay? I'm caught, you got me. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.